Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a door ajar light. First, check all your doors, including the rear liftgate, to ensure they are fully closed. Sometimes, a simple slam can resolve the issue. Next, carefully inspect each door latch for any visible debris, dirt, or ice that might be preventing the latch from fully engaging. A quick cleaning can often clear up the problem and turn off that annoying light. The door ajar light is usually triggered by a small switch inside the door latch assembly. To diagnose, you'll need to locate this switch. You can often test its functionality by observing if the interior lights respond when you manually press the latch closed. If it seems stuck, try applying a good quality lubricant, like a silicone spray, directly into the latch mechanism. Work the latch several times to help free up any sticky components. If lubrication doesn't work, the switch itself might be faulty or have corroded contacts. You might need to remove the door panel to access the latch assembly. Carefully clean any visible corrosion on the switch contacts. If the switch is integrated and cannot be easily repaired, replacing the entire door latch assembly is often the most reliable solution. Always double-check all wiring connections after any repair or replacement to ensure everything is secure. After performing any repairs, close all doors firmly and start your vehicle to confirm the door ajar light is off. Open and close each door several times, including the rear liftgate, to ensure the fix is consistent and reliable. This helps confirm the sensor is now working correctly. Remember, a little patience goes a long way with these types of fixes. Also, for some great financial insights, check out the link in the description for a book that can truly change how you think about money, along with other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.